So this is part two of the first one. The first one we talk about how to um we talk about how to manage your calendar. This one is how to organize your inbox. So all you have to do, you go to your Google Chrome, you go to your Chrome browser, you type gmail.google.com. Is loading, is loading. If you haven't if you don't have Gmail account, please watch the video and watch how to create Gmail account and create one for yourself. Okay, let's say this is your email account, Gmail account. First of all, if you don't have anything, if you don't have any email to delete, all the email is important to you, fine and good, leave it. But if you have, delete the less important email that you don't want to see in your inbox. So another one is to create label, all you have to do is click here, sorry, is to click here, click here, that box to tick, click click this one too, click this one too, click this one too, click this one too, as many as you want, depending on what you want to add, the label you want to add. You come up, you will see those three dots up here, just click it. You will see label as. So let's click it, label as. Okay, let's say VA LX LX VA cohort 5. I'm just giving you example, cohort 5. Then you click create new. Then you create. So this is your label. You understand? You click, you will see these three dots there. You will click label color. Let's label it. Let's use red. You see it? You have labeled your, you have created a label for yourself. You understand? So that's how to create label for yourself. Go back. I'm sorry, you which kind of wahala be this? So the second one is to star your message. Star your message and tag them as important. So first of all, you click the star. If you watch, this star has only one star, as in one color, yellow. So let's go and add multiple colors to that star. I don't know how to put it, but let's go and do it. All you have to do is to go to setting, click more. All you have to do is to click this setting up. Wait, let me click this setting up, this setting up here. Click it. You click see all settings. Is loading. So you will scroll up, you will scroll up, you will scroll up, you will see stars. This, you understand? You will see it. Then zoom in, zoom out to your this thing and click all stars, and click on all stars. This here, click on all stars. Let's click it. So we have added, we are making use of all these stars here. We are making use of it. So let's go back to our inbox. You click inbox. Let me be showing you people that place that I marked, inbox. You click it. Oh, sorry, I did not save it. Then you scroll down, you save change. So once you have changed, you zoom out, then you see where star is here, where star is. You understand? Click the star. If it is yellow, blue, purple, um green, anyone, you will. So let's click it. So we are adding, sorry, we will add purple. Purple is what I want to add there. Hey, this is purple. So that's it. This is purple. Another one. So if you want to add tag on your video, all you have to do is to click on this setting, network, click on the setting. So you will click this see all settings. It's loading. See all settings. Then you will see this general labels and all and this inbox or here. You will click the inbox that you are seeing here. Just click on the inbox. Sorry, just click on the inbox. You will see importance marker here. Just turn it on. Just click show marker, show markers. Then once you have turned it on, you click save change. You understand? Once it has changed, you go back to your inbox. Loading. Okay, you go back to your inbox. Then you click on those boxes. You click as many as you want. Then you will click on these three dots. Click on it. You will see mark as important there. Click it. You see the logo of importance. The tags have come out. The tags have come out. Sorry. The tags have come out. You see the tags here. See the tags, these yellow ones. That's the tag. These yellow ones, that's tag. You get. So another one, if you have read everything that is on your inbox, they say that we should add unread, we should add important ones as unread. So if you have read everything on your inbox, just I'm showing you an example. All you have to do is to click on that box too. After clicking it, you click on that three dots up, you mark it as unread. You understand? It will show like this instead of, I've not read any email here. Oh God, I beg God. Like it will not, if you have read it, it will not show as thick as these ones. You understand? Like this one, I've read it. Like this one, I've read it. So you see, it's not as thick as others. You get. You have not read it, it will be as thick as these ones here. So that's it. After you have done and you have arranged everything very well, you screenshot. Then you go back to your portal. Go back to your portal. So you go to your portal, then you go down where they wrote week 3 milestone. You go down, you will see choose file. You click choose file. Once you click it, you select that screenshot that is screenshotted, as in that screenshot now. Then click submit. After you have submit, it will automatically tick done. But check this your code. Check code here. You understand? Click it, check code. Then you see start new test. Click it. Then this will come out. All of this will come out. It will tell you it will tell you congratulations, all tests passed successfully. You understand? It doesn't need to tick any green like others. You understand? So that's it.